Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Stellar Lumens wallet. The first thing you want to do is go to coinmarketcap.com and find Stellar Lumens on the list and click the website link from there so that you know you're at the legit website. Once you're there, go to the top right where it says wallets, click on that, and then this is if you don't want to actually download anything, you can just go where it says not looking for a wallet and click on account viewer. And you're going to have to click generate key pair for a new account. So before you do that, make sure that you turn off your Wi-Fi so that when you get your private key, it's protected. So turn that off and then click on generate. And then you're going to get your gay public key. So make sure you save your secret key in a safe place. Don't give it out to anybody, obviously. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. This is the way you do it without having to download anything. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.